Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to increase your typing speed with the 10Fastfingers typing speed increasing website. So they have two different types of exercises: the typing test, the simple one, and the advanced one. In the simple one you can exercise with the top 200 English words, or you can use your own language as well, but right now I'm showing you in English, but it's the same with all the languages. But I would suggest to you, if you are working in an international environment or you are a content creator or anything like that, probably it would be better to exercise in English. So in this video I will show you the basic test for you, and in a different video I will show you the advanced one, but they are kinda similar. So your typing speed is measured in words per minute. How many words can you type in 1 minute? And this exercise, it takes 1 minute. You type all these different words. These are nonsense, so this is not an actual paragraph, they are just random words, and yeah, you just type them. I think this site is quite helpful, because when I started it like 1 week ago, or even less than 1 week, my typing speed was around 40 words per minute, and right now I'm on 55. Like, I have an average of 55, but sometimes I go even to 60. So right now I will take a test and I will show you how it works. You just start when you start typing, then the timer starts. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so 65. That's quite good from me. Not like in general there are like huge typing speed records, but for me it's very good. Actually, the English is not my mother tongue. It's not my main language, so I think for those of you who just learned English, this can also help with your English grammar or correct typing. So that's it. Subscribe for more tips and tricks, and see you in the next video. Thank you.